We're here at the 2026 New York International Auto Show revealing the new Chrysler Pacifica for the 27 model year. We are super excited about this van. This is really the platform to where we springboard the Chrysler brand and take a big leap forward. This van still has so many best-in-class features, class exclusive stow and go, best-in-class towing, the most awarded minivan ever. And it's a special day here in New York to unveil this, show it off, and we reintroduced the Pacificas to help us tell the story about what makes this car so special. From a new redesigned front end with the piano keys here on the outside to the lit wing badge where it brings Chrysler into the next century. We have a new tailgate, we have some new safety and tech features with turn signal activated blind spot cameras, Park Sense activated front cameras. We have a new height adjustable tailgate so you don't hit the garage in some situations. We also have new colors, new wheels, and a new blue agave interior on the Pinnacle. Since we invented the segment in 1983, we've sold nearly 16.6 million minivans to families of all walks of life, and we're just getting started as we embark on the next 100 years of Chrysler.